Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. And first of all, I want to start with thank you for the 5k subscribers. We actually reached 5k subscribers. I think a couple of weeks back, but I actually pre-recorded all those videos, like 3 weeks back, because I was traveling and I will be showing you something really, really good real soon. That is something that's the reason I was traveling a lot and taking a lot of time and all, but you guys will be knowing soon about that. But right now I just want to start with something. You might have seen the shots by right now, so let me just start with it without any delay. Okay, so here it is. So this set we will be unboxing this entire week, and finally I was able to get this for MRP, which is 299. So yeah, so this is a Toyota Tundra, and I hope that is Tundra, not Tundra. I don't know. Okay, so the Toyota Tacoma. So we did unbox Toyota Tacoma, I think once or twice. I remember once I unboxed, but I don't remember whether I unboxed it twice. I think during 2023, if I'm not wrong. And here's a Toyota Land Cruiser. We did unbox this. I remember this because I think this was a TH in one of the case. That was like that milky, like cream color, if I'm not wrong. And here's a Toyota Land Cruiser 80. I think this also we unboxed. That is also around the same color scheme, like this creamy white color or cream color. That's the right one, I guess. Cream color, that also we unboxed. So this is the one I am a bit curious about, because so the Toyota off-road truck, because this feels really heavy. So I am expecting this to be having metal body and metal chassis as well, because the chassis looks fully metal, and but I don't know about the body. So I need to see what's this about. But I'm actually happy that I got the set. And last but not least, a lot of people are asking about this sometime back. So I was able to get this for MRP thanks to one of our group members. His name is Freddy. So he arranged someone in from his group. So that person actually got me this. So he bought this for 549, which is the MRP. I'm happy actually I got this at MRP, because I do have one more of this, but I imported that one. I got it for 1200 or so. So I wanted to unbox the Indian card actually, because that's what we most of the time we do in our channel, because how our Indian, whatever they are launching in India, how that actually looks and feels. So what's it about? This is what we normally do. If something is in India, that's the review we will start with. So with that said, stay tuned for this video, guys. And so there are a lot of things coming up, because there is one I'm planning to do for 5k subscriber special, and there is one I'm planning to do for 15th of August. That is going to be a surprise for everyone, because something which is close to my heart, I'm going to do that for 15th of August. And so I don't know whether I will be moving this video one day, like front and back and forth kind of thing. So we will know, because August 15th is, I think, coming week. So I need to see that how I'm going to place that video, again rest of the video as well. And on top of that, I am planning to showcase you some of the things from my friends, what they're doing and all. On top of that, I'm planning to do some sale post as well over the video. So I have couple of extras I'm just planning to sell. I need to see how that goes. If that goes well, again strictly MRP. So if that goes really well, and maybe in that video I will explain a more detailed way, because this already we just crossed 4 minutes mark. I don't want to waste any time of yours. So stay tuned for all those videos, and thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.